just can't let you know.
I know you're gonna dig this.
Welcome ladies and gentlemen, Iceblade here with another YouTube video. Today we're doing the unboxing or unbagging of a flight pad, flight mat, something. So like most of you know, I've been into drones, just got a new one to test and never had a landing pad or landing mat or whichever name you throw around for it. But with the order of the drone, I decided to just ship the landing pad into that because it's a nice thing to have. It folds up pretty small, and if you're in an area where the place you take off from or land is not suitable actually to just plop a drone down there, this is a nice to have. Return to home, I've seen that they don't land exactly on the mat where they take off from, but it's a nice measuring tool nevertheless. But a cool thing to have if the terrain you're taking off from and landing on is not suitable to just let your drone hit rocks or sand or whatever it is. So let's get into the unbagging. No. Anything you get through the post, the mail, the courier service, whatever, during the COVID times, we give it some alcohol, you know. You need to welcome the people in your house and give it something to drink and all that, you know. You need to be a good host, you know. So, you just give it a bit of alcohol, then it's happy, everybody's happy, and then we kill it. Should not cut the mat, I suppose. That would not be fun. And it's open. It's almost open. Now it's open. Okay, so like with the drone, it comes in one of those Ziplocky bags, which is very nice. It has holes at the bottom to make it breathable, probably if it's wet or something. And then the mat inside, you get them in different sizes, so you can go bigger, you can go smaller, depending on what size drone you have. This is perfect for the drone I'm going to test this with. I will link that video. So it is a nice, you get those that kind of fold up and it's just like a nylon type material. This is thicker, it has a rubber at the back. It's like spongy, so I specifically went for this one. So it's sort of like a softer, plushy cushion for my drone to land on, sleep on before it goes flying into yonder. Okay, but nothing more I can say. You get them, different makes, different sizes, different colors, anything. So you even get some that is reflective, which is a very nice touch. So the reflective ones didn't have the rubber backing, so I didn't go for that, but they're nice because they have different colors. They're also orange on the front, and then it seems like a blue at the back, and it's reflective, so that's cool. Yeah. It's free. Get it free. So we'll get to test this baby properly outside, so it will be actually included into the drone's first flight. See you there, guys. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. We need friends, man. And hit like if you found my welcoming mat helpful. Cheers, guys.
Okay, and so I lied. Here's a short clip of my landing mat out in the wild, hunting drones, being